We were here today doing a survey of sick oak trees, and we're trying to identify what pathogens are present in these trees and try to determine if those pathogens are responsible for the symptoms that we're seeing. There's been a lot of concern about dying oak trees in Florida, and we're trying to determine the distribution of tree pathogens in these oaks and trying to figure out what's responsible for the mortality. And so we're trying to do a systematic survey by taking samples from the crown of the tree, of the xylem, of the wood, and then we bring it back to the lab, and we're doing analyses on them in the lab where we're using DNA to identify the pathogens that are present. And so based on that, we'll be able to tell what the distribution is of these pathogens in the trees themselves and also throughout the state where we've got trees that are dying. And so the goal, the objective is to figure out what pathogens are responsible for the mortality that we're seeing and if it's something that we need to be concerned about.
We're going to go to 3 or 4 or 5 more places, so don't stay up there all day. Okay, you're having too much fun. We're here because Early Piety of Specialty Tree called us in to look at a number of these trees in neighborhoods here in Jacksonville that are showing symptoms of some decline and dieback that, according to him, are relatively recent in the life of the tree, within the last 5 years or so. He doesn't have an explanation for this at this point, and we're just here to help him out and to see if possibly some of these microorganisms are associated with the syndrome.
We're very early in the process, so we haven't yet identified any pattern. We just started this project this summer, so hopefully by the end of summer we'll start to have enough data that we can make some early predictions about what's going on and what's going to happen to these trees, but it's still really too early to tell.